All right, today we are going to be doing a value scale and a gradation scale. So first thing I need you to do is get your ruler out. At the top of your paper, I want you to make a line that is 7 inches long. I'm going to start here at the 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to make it 7 inches long. And I'm just going to make it as wide as the ruler itself. So then at each inch, I'm going to put a little line. Three. And then I'm going to make as straight of a line as I can to connect the top to the bottom. Doesn't have to be perfect, but you're just needing to make 6 boxes basically. So if you measured 7 inches, you'll end up with 6 boxes. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yay, done. All right, now I want you to begin with the dark first. I'm going to put my dark on the right side. Your dark does not have to be on the right side. It can be on the left. It's wobbly. But you are going to fill it in all the way, and you can use cross hatching, meaning you're making up and down lines. Some go this way, some go that way, until it's all filled in. Then I'm just going to go back over it, make it super dark, because this is supposed to be our black. White. Okay, now the next one over is going to be just a bit lighter than that one. Oh, I can see on the video. Couldn't see it on my paper. Oh, that's weird. I think I'm seeing a shine from the light. Okay, next one over. Still dark, but not quite as dark as this guy over here, right? Now for his neighbor, you're gonna have to go a little lighter with your hand on each square. It's easier to add back than it is to take it away. You want the whole box to be pretty even. I think I'm going to add some here. All right, come back over. Oh, it's just the camera. I feel like this has some weird, I think it's the shine from the camera. Okay. Here we go. Next one over, even lighter. Even lighter. I think I'm just going to carry that one over. That'll be my next to lightest color. And that way I can make this one a little bit darker. Okay, so you'll notice that going from white to black, each box, while it's very close to its neighbor, it's got its own individual color. Okay, next thing we're going to do is gradation scale. So get your ruler again. We're going to, same measurement, we're going to do 2 inches across, well, not 2 inches, 7 inches. But on this one, we're only going to do it by a 1/2 inch. So we'll come down here, and on this one, we're also not going to make the boxes. So it's just going to be one long skinny line, 7 inches. And you can connect those. All right, same thing as with the gradation, except, or this is the gradation. So this is value scale. And the next one is a gradation scale. And the difference is that gradation gradually is going to change from light to dark. Instead of having these distinct lines, it's just going to fade into it, but it should match it. So let's start again at the right side where it's dark. Once I have that dark in there, I'm actually going to switch my grip on my pencil so that I get more of the side of the pencil. You may need to sharpen your pencil at this point. So I've got my dark. Now I'm going to take it to that next level. Now I don't want to have this clear dividing line. So you just want to go over it so that it just gradually goes into the next one. Okay. Now we're going to come down to this one. It should match pretty much along with the box that's above it. Just try to make the transition seamless, basically. How hard you press with your pencil is totally going to affect how dark it goes. You may even need to sharpen your pencil at some point so that the side of it is fairly even. I think my pencil is doing something funky right now. I'm not liking how that is, but it's good. Good enough. So you can go back over it, see spots that stand out, and just try to make them blend in. This maybe needs to be a little darker. All right, so we've got value scale, clear defined areas, gradation scale, seamless transition from light to dark.